What's up, guys? Exciting news right now. Showing you Super G Plus, which I love, one of my favorite cars. And we have an exciting announcement to make. That is that our website, the viperscaleRacing.com website, now has a new feature that we are calling VBAY. It is a auction listing, so cars like this, other used cars, other specialty items, you name it. They are live auctions that are on our website now. You can go click on the shop button, find VBAY, click on that. Right now there's just this one car just because the feature was just added and proved today. And that's all I was able to do. You know, this car, it is a super clean, tested Super G Plus car, but we are super excited to be able to announce that. You definitely have to be logged in or have an account if you want to place bids. But everything about it, it works just like eBay. You can put in your max bid. You don't have to be there for the auction end. There are a lot of cool features. Also on stuff like this, you know, obviously we make high performance parts for the Super G Plus. So if you were to pick up this car at auction for a killer deal, you might be able to get tires, rear end, chassis, pickups, anything you want to upgrade it. You can get all in one spot on the viperscaleRacing.com website. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. We're super excited. It's been something that I've been working on for a long time. Super cool feature. And it definitely will allow me to get rid of a lot of the cars that I have that I didn't want to put on the website. So I have boxes and boxes of all different kinds of cars. And in the past, I didn't want to mix that with the stuff that we were selling on our site. But now with this auction feature, we can absolutely do that because everybody knows what they're doing. It's basically taking eBay and putting it on our website, but it's all run by Viper and it's hosted by Viper. Everything about it is through Viper. eBay doesn't have their hand in there. All the customer service, everything you guys can do on there, and you have the trusted seller, which is Viper. So anybody that shops on there, obviously you guys trust us. We appreciate that. And we just wanted to launch that and let you guys know this is the only thing that's on there right now. I have it on there as a 7-day auction. We're definitely going to be adding more stuff, and we will post content about what we are going to be placing on there, and with links and all of that kind of stuff. Right now, though, viperscaleRacing.com, click the drop down for shop, and you should find the VBAY icon. You can click on that, and it'll take you into this listing. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. We have a ton of fun doing this kind of stuff, and I mean, we couldn't do it without you, so we appreciate you. I am going to head out. It's 5:13. Been here 11 and a half hours already, so it's time to go. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Check out VBAY, hosted on the viperscaleRacing.com website. If you can't find it, log in and it'll show up. Check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments, or you could shoot us an email, and we'd love to hear from you guys. Have a great weekend. If you're just now tuning in, definitely go back and watch the beginning of this video. Super exciting stuff. Take it easy from Viper.